Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to create a handwritten note on this device. So at first you have to locate and open notes. Here they are, smoothly open. Click on new one, right here. And now all you have to do is to click on this pen icon. Choose the pen which you would like to use, then the color. And now maybe this one, and now you can smoothly write with your hand here. You can change the color whenever you wish, and then tap on done to save it. So that's it then. If you'll go back, you'll be able to smoothly open it then and have your handwritten note included here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.